Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you how to fix Cash App verification problem in 2025. So this is going to be a full guide. Make sure you watch it till the end to understand everything about fixing this problem. So in order to do this, first of all, navigate to the Cash App application. Then click on your profile icon at the top right side of the screen. It will show your account page. We'll have to just scroll down and click on the support option. Now, when you click on support, it will show this how can we help page. Here, click on the search bar and type in verify my identity. Now, click on the option that says verify my identity and it will take you to this page. Here, you can easily click on continue and continue verifying your identity. So just try this a step and see if it works or not, and if it's not working, what you'll have to do is simply go back, then navigate to the support page again. Here, you're going to type in verify identity. Then click on the option that says trouble verifying identity. Now as you can see, if you're facing troubles verifying your identity, it could be because of these reasons. So the first reason is your image could be blurry. Make sure your image is fully scanned and is clear. The image has a glare. Make sure that the image or the ID that you're verifying doesn't have a glare on it. Now, a corner of the ID wasn't available. That could also be a problem. Maybe your ID could be expired. Your ID didn't meet minimum age requirements, or the image of the back of the ID wasn't clear. Also, another reasons are that the barcode wasn't clearly visible on your ID, the image of your face wasn't clearly visible on your ID. Also, the selected country doesn't match the country on the ID. So, these could be the reasons. So make sure none of this is happening from your side and the verification will be totally smooth. Now, if you're still facing these problems, just go back to the support page, then search for contact support. Then click on this link that says Cash App card personalization. Now, here you'll have to simply click on chat option and you'll be taken to this page where it says which transaction is this about. So click on not about a transaction, click on chat and type in your problem. So explain your problem to Cash App chat support and they will instantly fix your problem. So that is how you fix Cash App verification problem in 2025. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.